Hi, you are watching Best Wire Stripping Tool Reviews. Number 1, Irwin Wire Stripper. Strip wire from 10 Reuben florins to 24 Reuben florins, with our self-adjusting mechanism. Jaw width, 2 inches. Control the length of the core, strip with the built-in adjustable stopper. Strip wire from 10 Reuben florins to 24 Reuben florins while swivel knob micro adjusts to strip gauges smaller than 20 Reuben florins. Each Irwin hand tool is warranted to be free from defects in material and workmanship for the life of the tool. Number 2, Klein Tools Wire Stripper. Wire stripper with stripping head that adjusts to strip. Adjustable stopper to control the length of the core strip. Tensioning thumb wheel allows for precise stripping of smaller gauge wire. Convenient wire cutter and handle. Grooved grips are designed for added comfort. Number 3, Udidel Electrician Wire Stripping. Surface electrophoresis process, cold rolled steel stamping tongs, heat treatment of crimped joints. Surface spray treatment. Stripping plus tangent plus crimping. After stripping the wire end can be cut, and then the terminal is pressed. PVC material handle. Pliers handle is made of PVC material, absolutely green and wear resistant, comfortable grip. Number 4, LAOA Automatic Wire Stripper. Steel spring with strong toughness, large tension and stripping powerful. Chrome vanadium alloy steel jaw. With good hardness, strong toughness, and large tension, suitable for 8 Reuben florins to 26 Reuben florins wire. Mainly applied to strip sheath wire, core wire and multiple strand sheath line. Number 5, Southwire Wire Stripper. The wire stripper is proudly made in the USA and has a patent-pending design. It strips both 12/2 and 14/2 Romex NMB jackets. This stripper features a large, curved cutting blade, as well as 12 to 14 sole AWG single conductor stripping holes. The handles are double-dipped and spring-loaded for maximum comfort and torque. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to know more, check out review list below in description. Don't forget to subscribe to get our latest videos.